It's the invasion of the thrush. Oh my God, look at this. For months we had almost no birds at all. Now look at this. These are huge guys too. I've got to zoom in on them. Huh. It's hard to focus because it's dark out. Oh my Lord. What's that? That's a jay! Holy crap, Bill. It's a Steller's jay. They're all getting in on the party, you see. Well, I'll have to... I just threw seeds on the ground. That's what I did, and that... Yeah. Look at how cute. They're fat. They have their feathers all plumped. Oh yeah, I can see their feathers are all plumped out. They're enormous. Very large birds. Most of what we get are tiny ones. But over here, somewhere, there was a jay. Oh, not him. I thought I saw a flicker, but I'm not sure. Is that a flicker? Oh, if it is, he went behind the tree. And we did see one jay. They're handsome birds. We've had this in the past where varied thrush kind of, there's a landing, small flock. Sorry my voice is so hoarse today. Getting over a cold. There he is. There's my jay. They aren't too smart, these jays. They can't land on a feeder. They just can't. They fly up, they fly down. Oh, he's pretty cute, though. I dumped a whole bunch of seeds on the ground, and then it snowed. Look at that. Chasing each other around. I don't know why they do that. I'm kind of aggressive. Oh, look at this, guys. Quit it. I think what happens is that big cedar in the yard, it absorbs all the snow. Only a small amount of it kind of sifts through. So the ground is not quite bare, but there's only a thin layer of snow. Oh, there he is. Look at this. It's a treat seeing these guys. I think I hear a sound out there too. One other time I got sounds of varied thrush. It's really cute, but I can't go out there. If I open the door, they'll be gone. So they sort of run along. There's a big fat one here. Where did it go? Look at this guy. Some of them are just huge. I thought I saw... Oh my God, there's just more and more of them. That's a flicker. Yes, it's a flicker. And a thrush. It's a beautiful shot.